baffled for years. The Mariana Trench is known as the deepest part of the ocean. It is known to be deeper than Mount Everest is high, and as you can imagine, so many strange things appear to live in its depths. A bunch of audio from deep within the trench was captured by scientists in 2016, and some of the strangest, creepiest sounds can be heard. Rumbles, moans, and screeches were heard on this audio that continue to remain a mystery to scientists. This same recorded audio also picked up on man-made sounds from above very clearly, from boat propellers to typhoons. This has left scientists with the question, if the sea creatures can hear us so easily, how does our noise affect them? Some of us are also wondering if those weird mystery sounds perhaps could be coming from a megalodoon hiding in the trench. Most likely not, but it's fun to dream. This Mariana